Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying TATA HARPER's Regenerating Cleanser. So 1.7 ounces of this cleanser will run you $42. And 4.1 ounces of this cleanser will run you $84. So this is what it does. It's a natural daily exfoliator that buffs and polishes with BHA and apricot micro spears to reveal smooth, radiant, healthy looking skin. So apparently the apricot micro spears is just apricot exfoliant, but you know, TATA HARPER. Okay, TATA HARPER, come through with the micro spears. I mean, you know, you could have just said it, exfoliating scrub, but you know, for $84, I guess we need different wording. But anyways, with that being said, you guys, I don't know what to do. You know what? I would just go ahead and leave it alone. Let's go ahead and swatch this product. This is the product. This is what it looks like. You see the creamy texture. I'm like almost halfway through with this jar. Okay, y'all know TATA HARPER. I love me some TATA. This is what it looks like. It's sort of like a milky texture. I use way too much. I'm scraping half of that off because I use way too much. And I got to save my little jar, my little sample. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, what do you guys think? It's a beautiful pink color. I really don't feel the apricot micro spears working, but we are going to see. Now, it just smells like essential oils to me, like a orange essential oil mixed with a little bit of flour. I have to, you know, smell so I could get a good description of the scent for you guys. So it's really orange. These are clinical grade essential oils, but you just apply it to your face like this. That's it. Pretty much when you're using this cleanser. They say apply it to dry face. I've applied it to wet face. I would personally say I like the dry better. Let me get my neck really wet because I want to make sure I get all this product on my skin. You know what? A little bit goes a long way. I really didn't need this much. So I know normally because I have to conserve my jars of expensive product, I don't use this much. But this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? It's very gentle. It's very nice. It's a little bit heavy, so it's going to be very hydrating. No, I wasn't going to bring the micro spears up, but I just have to. So, this is how I feel. You know, I guess when you got to charge a lot of money for a product, you got to call it something else besides a scrub. Because, I mean, if you think about it, who really want to spend $84 on 4.1 ounces of a product and you talking about it's a scrub? So I get the point. I actually really enjoy it because could you imagine being around real bougie people who say, yeah, I use this TATA HARPER cleanser and it has micro spears in it. And you're like, micro spears? What is that? Oh, it's just something that's totally different from like your average scrub. Like, could you? I mean, you could have just said it's a scrub, but you know, because you pay $84, I guess it can't be a scrub anymore. Anyways, you guys, with that being said, I am going to go ahead and rinse my face. Okay, you guys, so I want to say this cleanser was really easy to come off. I thought it was going to be a little bit difficult because it's a bit heavy, but it's really easy to come off. You guys, here's my cheek. Here is my other cheek. Here is my chin. Here is my forehead. Let me turn the light down. Here we go. Let me look in the mirror. There is a bit of redness, I will say. I will see in the screen finder and in the mirror. What do you guys think? It's not drying. I will say that it's not drying at all, but we have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. So let's talk about TATA HARPER's Regenerating Cleanser and my thoughts. I like it. I do think it's on the expensive side, which means I always keep a samples on deck because I always buy kits and have like 4 or 5 samples, but that's just what I do. So I'm not really going to like drag it for the price. And you know, TATA HARPER is expensive, but they do use all natural organic ingredients, and that's one thing about them that I really enjoy. It's just really wonderful, clean beauty. With that being said, I like this cleanser. It's not drying, it's not harsh to the skin. If you've ever had like physical exfoliations mixed with a little bit of chemical exfoliation in it and it's drying or harsh to the skin, this is very hydrating, moisturizing while sloughing away dead skin cells. I also like the fact that the redness that I have went away, so it wasn't a big inflammation to my skin where it was just really harsh. I also want to say it was a bit heavy, but even though it was heavy, I was expecting it to come off my skin and take forever to come off my skin, and it didn't. And when I used this product, I would say for a good, I would say 2 months, because I bought 2 of these kits and the little sample jar. Look, this is how I roll, okay? And using this cleanser for over the 2 months I've used it, I could say eventually once Sephora has their next sale, I will probably cave and get the bigger bottle, or maybe I'll move up to the 1.7 ounce. This cleanser does have BHA in it. The BHA does come from the willow bark extract. It's just a natural ingredient, like something in skincare would probably have salicylic acid. So if you've ever had issues with salicylic acid, your skin can't take salicylic acid from science-based skincare, well, you may want to try Clean Beauty Skincare, where they don't use salicylic acid. They use a different type of BHA from a natural plant or any type of root or extract, depending on the brand, depending on the formulation. So that may be something you want to look into if you've ever had any bad reactions from salicylic acid and you want to try Clean Beauty. I think this is a wonderful product to go with. It's very gentle, it's very hydrating. It actually does remove dead skin cells. I've used this product for over 2 months and I've had it just make my face look really amazing and just beautiful, and I shine bright like a diamond. It's definitely for dull skin, which is why I used it today with you guys, because I've been out and about, you know, quarantine is over, so I've just been out, and you know, we went to the lake, and so I just wanted something to just get my skin bright and shining the way it used to be when I was stuck in the house. It may never go back to that glow after this quarantine, but you know, my skin was looking good, so I wanted TATA HARPER to bring back that beautiful glow that I illuminated when I was locked down for a while. With that being said, you guys, I really think this is a great cleanser. I also love the fact when I do use this cleanser, I notice when I add my toners, my serums, and my moisturizers, and even my SPF, that it sets really nicely after using this cleanser. It's like it literally just sinks into my skin. I don't have any product buildup, and even like the worst hyaluronic you can use with product buildup, after this cleanser and a good toner and you add your hyaluronic acid, the flaking ones, I'm telling you right now, it doesn't flake. It's just really nice and it's really gentle. Now, if you have issues with physical exfoliation and scrubs, you may want to think about that before buying this scrub, because it may cause you a bit of texture or irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. However, it's really gentle, so I don't think you have too much to worry about, but just be wary if that's something you're really into. However, what I will say about the microspheres scrub, apricot seed that they did add to this product was pulverized so small that it gives you a bit of exfoliation without being too harsh to the skin for you to have inflammation or redness. So I will say that. So it's just like a double dose of exfoliation with this cleanser that I really love. With that being said, those are all my thoughts. I like the product. I just may cave and buy it when the sale is coming on, but I have 2 more sample jars left, so we'll see how this goes. Have you guys just tried this cleanser? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye guys. Mwah.